Hey everybody, today we are making super creamy almond butter with our Vitamix 3500 and the 12 cup food processor attachment. We're not starting. We only need one ingredient for that. That's almonds. These are raw, but we're going to toast them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and then we're going to let them totally cool. We're going to put them in here, and that is all we need. You could use raw almonds, but you're probably going to have to add oil. We don't want to add oil. We want this pure. And this is one of those recipes that you're going to make this, you're going to taste it, you're going to put it on some toast or English muffin or something, and you're going to say, I am never buying that again. This is amazing. And it's easy. So let's get these on a cookie sheet. We're going to get them in the oven. We're going to get them in the oven for about 10 minutes at 350, and then we're going to let them cool. So let's get these in the oven, and we'll get back to our process. All right, these were in for about actually 11 to 12 minutes. They're nice. I can smell. You can just really start to smell them that they're starting to cook. So we want to get them off of this cookie sheet because they will keep cooking if we leave them here. So I'm going to get them in a bowl, and we are going to put these in the refrigerator so we can cool them down a little quicker and get this recipe started. All right, don't forget that guy. All right, let me put them in the refrigerator for about 10 or 15 minutes. I just want them cool. I do not want them hot, and I'm going to stir them occasionally just to make sure they are not hot. Alrighty, so we started with raw almonds. We toasted them, and now we've cooled them. These are nice and cool, so we are ready to make our almond butter. So we are going to get these in a cup, just to make sure here. 4 cups of toasted almonds. Now we're ready to make our almond butter. So we have the self-detect 12 cup food processor here. All we're going to do, get our almonds in, and click, click, make sure everything's good, and we're ready to go. So this should make us good almond butter in about 2.5 minutes. That's all it should take. If it's not as creamy as we want, we'll turn it on a little longer, but 2.5 minutes should just about do it. So we're going to get this set to 2.5, which is the most this will go at one time, and we're going to get it started. So take a look at this. This is going to shake them up pretty good, but you'll see it all filtered down as it creams out. All right, so that was 2.5 minutes on the food processor. So this is obviously not as creamy as we want it. And I know if you use the regular blender attachment, it takes about 8 minutes, and you got to use the tool to mash it down. So we're going to turn it on for a little bit more and get it where we want it. All right, this is pretty creamy, and it's pretty warm. Most Vitamix recipes, like, you can make soup in this because it goes so fast, it just creates it nice and warm. So these were cold almonds when I put them in here. This is pretty toasty right now. Take a look. I mean, we could go a little bit longer. That is creamy. It looks like there's some visible pieces of almonds, but I don't know what it's like. So I'm gonna give it a little taste right here and see how creamy this is. Actually, wow, that's nice. I mean, you can see it's a little bit, it's not runny, but it is liquidy. Wow. That actually, it could be just a little creamier, but that's very good tasting. And this is pure almond butter. So we've taken almonds and rendered them down to a cream. This is actually really good. I don't think I'm going to blend it anymore, so we're going to try this on some toast or something. But that is how easy. This was in the 12 cup food processor on here for a total of about 4 minutes. And like I said, you could go a little longer, but as I turn this like this, like, I can see that it's creamy and it moves around. So I'm gonna leave it as is right now. Easy to make and pure. So I don't know that I'd ever buy almond butter again. Thanks for stopping. Click that thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thanks for watching.